Hello students, how are you all? Now students, today I am going to teach you how to draw angles using a protractor. So here you can see that it is given that if we have to draw these following angles, angle 40 degree, 90 degree, 125 degree, 180 degree, 230 degree and 360 degree. Right students, so if it is being given that you have to draw all these angles, so what are the things? Very first let us discuss what are the things required. You need a pencil, a protractor and an eraser to draw all these angles. Eraser, in case of any mistake, you can easily erase. Right students, so let us start these angles. But before that, one more thing I would like to tell you, that what are these different types of angles. Very first, as we have already studied about types of angles, so what type of angle is 40 degree? It is an acute angle. What type of angle is 90 degree? It is a right angle. 125 degree is an obtuse angle. 180 degree is a straight angle. 230 degree is a reflex angle and 360 degree is a complete angle. So one by one we will discuss that how to make these angles, and let us start with the very first angle given to us, which is of 40 degree. So to draw the angle, what we have to do, very first you have to draw a line. So here I am drawing a straight line with the help of protractor only. After that, you are being instructed to keep this center point at the starting point of this line. So I will keep it like this, as you can see here. So this is how I kept my needle, or you can say the center point at the starting point. And on the upper side, that means the ring side, you can see there are two linings, but we will always count starting from the 0. So we always count the rings from the 0 side. So that means here our 0 is at the lower ring, so we will start counting from the 0 end, and we have to reach 40 degree basically, because angle is of 40 degree. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, and you can see this is our 40 degree. So you'll extend this and you will mark a dot at this point. So can you see the dot here? So this is the dot of 40 degree. After that, what you will do? You will simply join this dot with the initial point here. So we have drawn and we have joined the dot with the initial point of the another line. So these are the two arms of the angle, and the portion covered by this angle is of 40 degree. So this is our first angle. If you want to name this angle, so you can name it like angle A, O, B. So you can name it also, or you just leave it as 40 degree angle. If in question it is given that name the angle, so then you will name it. Otherwise you can simply draw the angle and write 40 degree. Now moving forward, and our second angle is of 90 degree. So once again we will do the same process. We will make a straight line here, and after that, once again at the starting point of this line, we will keep our center point of the protractor. Now keeping the center point at this, now start counting from the 0 ring. So 0 side, and I will reach 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. You can see 90 is here. So I will mark a dot at this point, and then join this dot with the initial point, the starting point of another ray. So here with this arrow we will show that these are the two rays, and this is our starting point, and at the same time, or you can say this is the initial point of the two rays. So this is the vertex of the angle, and now we will show 90 degree by this symbol. We always make a square box to represent 90-degree angle. So with this you can see our 90-degree angle is done. Moving forward, for 125-degree, once again we will draw a straight line. Right, students? Then once again keep your center at the starting point like this. Now start counting for 125. So starting with 0, this is our 120, this is 130. So the center value between 120 and 130 will be 125. You will put a point, or you can say make a dot at 125 point and then join it with the initial point of the another ray. So with the arrow sign, we will complete our angles, and this angle is of 125 degree. So our third angle is also done, students. I hope this is clear. Now let us move to the next angle, and which is a 180 degree angle. So to make 180 degree angle, once again I will draw a straight line like this. This is our initial point, and now since we have to make, what we have to do, we have to make a straight line. So that means I will keep it at this center point, and then I will mark a 0 point, or you can say a dot point. This is not 0 point. We will draw a dot at the end point. Now join this dot with the initial point like this, and with the arrow we will end up here. And since this is our center point, so the angle formed here is of 180 degree. So this is how you can make a 180 degree angle. Moving forward, for reflex angle, yes, for reflex angle, what you have to do, so to draw a reflex angle, just because you have to draw 230 degree angle, and you can see on a protractor we only have 0 to 180 and 0 to 180. We do not have a column of 230 degrees. So how you are going to do that? So for that there is a very simple method, that subtract the reflex angle value from 360 degree, 360 degree, which is the complete angle. So always subtract the reflex angle from 360 degree. So what you are left with? You are left with 130 degree. So basically with the help of this protractor, we are going to draw an angle of 130 degree, but it should be in the bottom side, not on the top side, but in the bottom side. So very first, the process is same. Let us draw a straight line, right? So this is our starting point. I've made a small dot at this point. Now I have to, since I have to draw an angle of 130 degree in the bottom side, not on the top side, but on the bottom side. So I will keep my protractor upside down. So that means I have turned my protractor in the downward direction. And now since our 0 is here and this is the ring, so you can see I will count it and I will reach the value of 130 at this point. Now let's join it up 130 degree here. So this is our 130 degree angle with the arrows. Clear, students? So you can see here, this is our angle of 130 degree, right? Now, since the lower angle is of 130 degree, that means what will be the value of the upper portion? This complete angle. Obviously, the lower angle is 130 degree. That means our reflex angle is on the above side. So this is how you can make a reflex angle on the upper side. Now at the last, when it is 360 degree angle. So since 360 degree angle is a complete angle, so what you have to do, make a straight line, right? And over that, make, with the initial point, make one more straight line like this. just for your conveniency. So these are the two rays which we have drawn, and you will represent 360-degree like this. So this is a complete angle and you will write 360-degree. That means we have started counting and moving up all the sides, taking the complete circle, we reach the same point. So this angle, this complete circle, this complete path is actually representing an angle of 360-degree. So students, I hope this will help you out to understand the concept of angles and how to draw the angles using the protractor. Once again, 40-degree, which is an acute angle, 90-degree right angle, 125-degree obtuse angle, 180-degree a straight angle, 230-degree reflex angle, 360-degree complete angle. So students, this is all about angles and to draw the angles using the protractor. So I'm 100% sure this will help you out in future also, and to understand this concept of making of the angles using the protractor. Thank you and have a nice day, students.